Hello stock stalkers, welcome back. Firstly, Talim IPO is starting from tomorrow, that is 10th of November 2022. Just in case if you are interested to subscribe this IPO, I have already uploaded a video with complete details. I will provide a iCard right at the top. You may click that link and watch that video. DFM today is a bit slow, 2700 trades so far. IMAR is showing weakness. Today it opened with a gap down. As of now, it's trading at 6.24. This is not looking positive to me. If I show you the charts right here, yesterday's closing was very good. It closed at 6.27. Today it opened with a gap down, clearly indicating something is wrong. People are not ready to buy at the previous day's close. Maybe people are waiting for the new listing, or it can be that people are holding their liquidity for the new IPOs. Anyway, IMAR for now it's still safe. 6.20 is support area. Hopefully it should not come down, but overall IMAR is still bullish. Back to the market. SALIC is performing quite well today. Usually we get first signs right at the time of opening. If we see a gap up opening, this indicates positivity and buyers are ready to buy at high price. As of now, it's trading at 2.34. If you have seen my previous analysis on SALIC, I had mentioned it have crossed the resistance or the trend line right here. This was the previous trend line market was trying to cross, it got rejected, and as of now it's taking a bounce again and again from this trend line. It means this is support area for SALIC. At the same time, this is good indication it is just accumulating above the resistance, so we can expect a big move very soon hopefully. Overall SALIC is also positive. Back to the market, and then we have DIB. It's also positive, open with a small gap up. As of now trading at 5.81, but still I'm not very confident about DIB. Let's look at the chart. See, this stock as of now it's under pressure. We can see it hit 6.15 and from here it's just going down. As of now we can see it's in a zone. This is the zone that it's trading in. If we see a breakout to the upside, hopefully then this stock is ready to go higher again. In worst scenario, in case if it breaks to the downside, then again we might see it can come till about 5.60 as well. So for me, this stock as of now, it's in a no trading zone. I will wait for a breakout. Let's check out some other stocks. Diva is a bit slow. Check this guys, clearly indicating weakness from the buyer side. Last closing was 2.49. Today it opened with a gap down. As of now, it's trading at 2.47. So nothing interesting in Diva. RMX is looking good, open with a gap up, as of now trading at 3.73. Like I mentioned guys, market gives us first indication right at the time of opening most of the time. If it opens with a gap up, this is a positive sign. We add more analysis to our study, and then if you are planning to enter, buy at a support level. Emirates NBD 13.25 is a tough nut to crack. It's been trying again and again since so many months. Unfortunately, it's not able to break it. Right here, if you are watching my analysis regularly, I have been mentioning 13.25 is a strong resistance. Market is not able to break this zone. Although it's hovering around the resistance, this indicates still buyers are active in this area. But this will be bullish once we see a close above 13.25 with a solid green candle indicating resistance is now taken out. So for now, this stock is still within a range. Support is at 12.85, resistance at 13.25. Back to the market. DFM was performing good, but today most of the stocks are slow. Opening of DFM is flat, high of 1.59 for the day. Let's check out the chart. We can see DFM was performing good this week. We are seeing a strong push to the upside. We can also see a W chart pattern here or double bottoms. This is the neckline that is 1.50. Most likely if it comes back for a retest, if we see some bullish momentum here or buying pressure, this can again be ready for a new high. Overall, we are seeing a trend reversal here, meaning from downtrend to uptrend. So most likely DFM continue its upside as now volumes are increasing, new listings are coming up. This will help DFM generate more revenues. So fundamentally this stock is very strong and technically it's improving a lot. Just in case if you have not bought DFM yet and if you are planning to buy, let it come for a retest or a small correction is needed here, because after this big move to the upside we usually expect it to correct itself to make a new high. So this stock should be in your stocking list. Back to the market. And then we have Air Arabia. This is also very slow, open with a gap up. Today's high is at 2.11, still not trending. This stock is also under pressure, but once it was performing very well. Air Arabia right here. As we can see, this was the previous trend line that market was following. This was support area. Let me highlight. This is support, this is support. Support was broken, and now we want to see a close above this trend line. Once we see a close above this trend line, next hurdle is at 2.15. So there is not much of space to enter here for a long run. So I would suggest let it close above this level and then you can target 2.35. For now, this stock is also in a no trading zone. So let's check out ADX market. It's up by 0.116%. It's in green. And yes, Aldar yesterday made a huge move to the upside. Today we are also seeing good volumes. As of now, it's down by 0.22%. Yesterday it spiked up. Let me show you the chart right here. Aldar. Here we are. Okay. And then this was yesterday's candle. Right here, it broke this resistance I had mentioned in my previous analysis separately. Also in my last live update, I had mentioned about Aldar. This is a resistance zone that is 4.40. Once we see a breakout, this can be a good entry. Here we are seeing triple bottom. This is considered to be bullish. And as of now, this candle is under formation, that is today's candle. Market is still open. We got around 1.5 hours remaining, trading at 4.55. So most likely it can come back for a retest in this zone. If we see some buying momentum, this will be a good indication to enter the trade, just in case if you have missed out right at the bottom. Or if you have already entered, you can add more quantities in this area. And then we have Multiply as usual. It's doing good volumes today. We are not seeing any big moves today. It's up by 0.66%. As of now, it's trading at 4.57. I had discussed about Multiply in my last analysis as well. In fact, I had posted a video last night, and this is the chart. We are seeing Multiply is in a chart pattern. It's making kind of a pennant pattern here. We are waiting for a breakout after this big move. So I'm expecting it to break out very soon to make a new high. As I mentioned, my target is now 5.00, most likely from here. So if we see a breakout, it can slowly and steadily touch 5.00. As long as it's above 4.35, this is still positive. Back to the market. And then I have IHC, very heavy weighted stock on Abu Dhabi Stock Market Index. As of now, trading at 404.7. Resistance is taken out. That was at 403. Yesterday it broke out but could not survive. Today it opened with a huge gap up after the news. Since the resistance is taken out right here, the same resistance so far is acting as a support. We do not want to see any closing below this zone, that is 4.03. Definitely this stock is very bullish. More upside momentum is expected. And then what else do we have? Ishraq is performing very well. We saw some spikes in Ishraq but still not trending. Right here I was stalking this stock very closely. We saw a breakout of this zone. This is also a positive chart pattern that is bullish. We saw market made double bottoms from here and now it's going higher. This was the resistance for Ishraq right here, that is 0.45 to 0.48. Market broke this resistance and now it's going higher. This is the resistance zone for Ishraq. Let me highlight. This is the resistance zone for Ishraq. This is the resistance area for Ishraq. So let's see how it performs once it touches this area. For now, it's looking very bullish and it's starting a fresh trend to the upside. So let's check out some other stock. Taka is in a strong uptrend. We are seeing this is resistance for Taka for now. 4.00. It's trying to cross, but it's unable to close above 4.00. Most likely, I think this resistance zone will be taken out very soon. However, today's closing is very important. We should not close below 3.80. We saw a strong bullish candle right here. This indicates this is a strong support area. Buyers are sitting in this zone. It have attempted once to cross this zone. We got rejected. Again, second time it got rejected, and today is the third attempt. Let's see the closing today, but overall Taka is very bullish. And then let's take few more stocks. Alpha Dhabi, same story. We are seeing spike in Alpha Dhabi, but nothing positive so far. We saw a spike right here. This was the resistance area. We saw a spike. It's not able to hold the gains. We are seeing selling pressure for now. It's not able to establish any support levels so far. Today's candle is still open. Let's see the closing. If this was the previous resistance, we want to see positive reaction when market comes back at the same level to confirm this zone is buyer's area. So Alpha Dhabi is wait and watch game. And then we have M Steel. Let's check out the chart. M Steel is also looking positive. M Steel is right here. Okay, it have touched almost 1.87, and from here we are seeing a small correction. This is healthy. Most likely it will establish support to make a U-turn from here and go higher. Similar example can be seen here. M Steel pushed to the upside, came back for a correction. We can see this was a support area, and in the same support area it opened with a gap up, made a green candle, went up, and as of now it's correction time. So most likely we should see some buying pressure in this area, and this will be our time to enter fresh, or in case if you have already entered at lower levels, you can add more quantities in this zone. And then we have Abu Dhabi ports. Let's check out AD ports. In my previous analysis, I had mentioned market is following this trend line beautifully. We are seeing whenever market comes at this level, it takes a bounce. We are seeing a similar kind of reaction. Buyers are activated, but also this is a resistance zone. Previously, when market broke this resistance, it came down for a retest. We did not see any bullish candle. It means this support was not holding. It came down to retest this trend line. So far, it's looking very good. If today's candle is positive and green with good volumes, we can expect it to go higher from here. Guys, please do not forget to subscribe for regular updates on Dubai and Abu Dhabi stock market. For now, that's it. I will post another video later in the day when market closes. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.